Hi folks, it's Moz here and I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this ICM new release. It's the KFK Kreigsfischkutter, which is a 1 to 144 scale World War II German multi-purpose boat. So, this was released this year, I believe, from ICM. It's made in the Ukraine, and the fact that they're bringing out models still in a war zone is just unbelievable, and fair dues to them for doing that. I bought this one for £21.95 at a local model show, and it was a bit of a challenge. A friend of mine bought one as well, so we thought we'll build it over the Christmas period. Some information about it is on the side. So they're saying these universal boats of the KFK type were developed in the late 1941 on the basis of a fishing seiner. They were built by various companies in Germany and other countries, including neutral Sweden, and after a small re-equipping, they could be used as trawlers. So there you are. It says here that it's made in the Ukraine by ICM Holding, and there's their address there. And this box contains an assembled plastic model kit, and the length is 168 millimeters and includes 139 parts, and it does need cement and paint to finish, which are not included, but it does come with an instructions sheet with drawings and a decal sheet too. On the edge of the box you've just got some more of the box art basically, and there's looks like you're getting two schemes here. You've got like a camo version on the right. This one's quite plain. It's designed for adults or collectors over the age of 14, and again on the side there you have some information, and as I said, it's 1 to 144 scale. Before I unbox this kit, can I ask a favour? Would you please consider becoming a subscriber? And all you have to do is click subscribe. If you ring that bell, click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. Also, in the comments, is this the sort of kit you would be willing to build? I'd like to know if you've got this in your stash and would you like to build it next year. Just let me know in the comments below. Now, with ICM, they always have really good boxes, so we lift this one up. So you get like a cover, which is the lid, but you also get a flappy box, which is always good. So lift up this flappy box. Inside, you get this kit with it, bag of parts, and you get the instructions, and then there's a bit of information there about their new paint range. ICM do their own paint. Somebody said it's Vallejo, but leave me in the comments below if you know where they get their paints from. First off, you're getting a call out of the sprue trees, and basically looks like you're getting an A, a B and a C, and the D must be the clear parts, but you clearly see there's a hole there. Looks like you're building up the cabin in sections, especially with all the parts there for the glass. Looks like you're getting life rafts. Looks like little torpedoes there. I don't know, we'll have to have a proper look. There's a machine gun there, a bit of a ladder. Looks like some exhaust or funnels there, and looks like you're getting some sort of deck artwork there as well, which looks pretty cool. Right, turn over the page. Looks like you are basically putting the top half of the hull together with the deck, and A and L, I'm presuming, is the colours. Let's have a quick look, make sure that's correct. There's the call out for the colours. Let's have a little look. Yeah, looks like they have a call out for the colours, but I can't see it here in the instructions. We'll have a proper look in a while. So A and L, basically the colours, but the pictures look pretty good. You know, you've got a bit of an exploded view, arrows showing you where it all joins together, which is pretty nice. Adding in pieces here which look like collets, or is it cleats? I think they're cleats actually on a boat. Looks like you're putting pieces together. So yeah, those are the cleats there. You've got quite a few to go around, and there's some funnels there on the front for the engine, I believe. Then you're putting together some entrances to go below deck. Looks like two pieces there and a piece on top, so basically pushing them together. More glass, and then you're building up the cabin here. Quite a complex cabin, looks like. Not basically a square one, it's all different edges on that one, which will be fun to build. Putting on the roof there, then that all slots into the top of the deck there. And is that like a lookout on top, I believe? There you got your life buoys there to go on, and that looks like a winch to go on the front there. Moving down through, there's the handles for some more of the winch. You have some sort of lookout point there, what they call it. Is that a bird's nest, as they call it on the top? Bird's nest? I'm not really good with boats, but I'm really keen to build this one because it looks lovely. We'll get the plastic out and you'll see. More ladders there to go on this sort of like bird's nest. Adding more pieces there to the top of the deck. You've got a gun there to go on the top there. And just going down through, looks like you've got safety railings to go on as well. Propeller, and then your rudder. I think that's some sort of mast that goes on there again. You've got your anchor there to go on, and some sort of crane sort of system there. More cleats to go on, and basically you get then put it together, and you also get, which is quite nice, a mount for it as well, which is cool. And they're the call outs there. You can either do grey, or you've got like a military version there with more of the guns on top there. So yeah, interesting, not bad. Something to build in the future, I guess. Well, there's the call out there, silly me, and that's the ICM. But they do put the Tamiya next to it as well as the Revell, so which is quite handy to have. And then don't forget they have their varnishes as well. You can also buy the actual set, so you can buy the ships of the Kriegsmarine. And basically, there you go. Right, let's move on to the plastic. So here you are, we start with sprue A, or frame A. There you've got the hull of the boat. Now, slightly disappointed about this, and there's a reason why, okay? On the picture, it's clearly showing ribs. Is that what they call ribs on a boat? You've got the lines going through, especially on the bottom half of the hull there. But on the actual plastic, it's smooth. So, which is a bit of a shame, but it's not too worried about it. Was it 1, 2? It's 144 scale, isn't it? So, but it would have been nice to have seen them carry that. You know, they've got it there on the actual top half of the hull, and you also have it on the deck. You know, there's plenty of lines there to work on, but they haven't seemed to have done it here, which is a bit of a shame. But it's a really crisp looking mould. The ejector pin marks are on the inside of the hull there, so they shouldn't be a problem. And yes, it as I said, it's a lovely crisp looking sprue. There's a propeller there, really nice. That is really nice. So it shouldn't be too difficult to put together. As I said, it's 100 odd pieces in this one. Moving on to sprue B, or frame B as they like to call it now. There's B on the top there. Again, you've got like the lookout there. You've got your mount for the boat. And if you can see that, there's a curve in it, which I presume that's to go with the hull. The hull will curve up, so they've actually engineered that on the deck, which is really nice touch. Really nice touch. That must be a lifeboat there, you know, life raft, and it's even got the where the is it they call it the Rollick? Is it the Rolex? Is something they call it where the paddle goes through. I wonder if they will bring this out as not as a military version, as just as a fishing boat. Because, you know, without the weaponry on it, it would just be a boat, wouldn't it? Like a fishing vessel. But yeah, it's really nice. Then you have these two little, this is frame C. And it looks like you get two of them. It seems like, yeah, so you get two frame Cs. So basically it's doubling up on everything. So you've got your life raft there, some sort of weapons, it looks like they're fans there, or are they depth charges? I presume the depth charges. And some, I thought they were collets. But you got like little rollers there. You know, it's a very intricate little model. This, I think I'm gonna have fun building it. Safety rail there, and it's the same on this one, exactly the same again. You got a small little gun there, and I presume. Yeah, you just have to put together some very tiny pieces there as well. Can you see how tiny that is? Let's get the camera to focus on that. Very tiny pieces. But yeah, it's all on the sprue, which looks fantastic. Again, you've got some glass there, which is, I presume, is for the cabin. There you go. Look at that. Nice. Very crisp. You've got 1, 2, 3, 4. You've got 6 like square oblong pieces. You've got 2, which I presume are just portholes. Glass for the portholes. But yeah, really nice. So there you are, that was just a quick unboxing and a little review of this kit from ICM. I'm going to be building it this week, so hopefully you'll see the build in the next couple of weeks after I've edited it. I can't wait to get this on the workbench, and hopefully we'll get ourselves a decent looking model out of it. Congratulations ICM on continuing to produce models in a war-torn country. That's quite humbling, isn't it, that they're still going on about their daily business while all this is happening in the world. And I'm looking forward to building it. I've not seen a decal sheet, unfortunately. Well, I've looked through. I cannot see a decal sheet in this box. If there is one, would you let me know in the comments below? But I can't see this decal sheet anywhere, which is a bit of a shame. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all, and you'll be notified when I release a new video. Any questions, any comments, leave them in the box below because I do reply. And a huge shout out to my channel members who help this channel financially. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select the membership tier you so wish. If you've not seen my latest video, click here. If you'd like to see my other unboxing videos, click here.